Hi viewers, in this session we shall discuss regarding stereoisomerism in coordination compounds. Stereoisomerism, it arises due to the difference in the three-dimensional arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom. It is of two types. One is geometrical isomerism, it is also called as cis-trans isomerism, and the second one is optical isomerism or mirror image isomerism. So, geometrical isomerism, this type of isomerism arises due to the difference in the geometrical arrangement of ligands. Generally, two terms we have to keep in mind, that is cis and trans. Cis isomers are the isomers having same ligands on the same site, and trans isomers are the isomers having same ligands on the opposite sites. So, cis and trans isomers are very important in geometrical isomerism. Next is the complexes of coordination number 2 and 3 do not exhibit geometrical isomerism, because in this type of complexes all the ligands are adjacently arranged, and the complexes of coordination number 4 can exhibit two types of geometries. One is tetrahedral and second one is square planar. In the case of tetrahedral geometry of coordination number 4 complexes, geometrical isomerism cannot be possible, because in this type of complexes 4 ligands are equidistant from one another. So, distinguishing between cis and trans isomerism is not possible. But in the case of square planar complexes of coordination number 4, it is possible to exhibit geometrical isomerism. So, square planar complexes and octahedral complexes are generally exhibit geometrical isomerism easily. Then geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. In square planar complexes, having the general formula Ma4, Ma3b, Mab3 type, this type of complexes do not exhibit geometrical isomerism, because in these type of complexes all the groups are similar. So, it is not possible to distinguish cis and trans isomers. But in the case of Ma2b2, Ma2bc, MABCD type of complexes, they exhibit geometrical isomerism. Let us discuss one by one. So, Ma2B2 type of complexes, example for this type of complexes is diamine dichloroplatinum 4 complex, diamine dinitro platinum 4 complex. Here 2 amine ligands are on the same side, 2 chloro ligands are at the same side. So, this is a cis isomer, whereas 2 chloro are arranged on the opposite side and 2 amine are arranged on the opposite side. So, this is trans isomer. In the case of Ma2BC type of complexes, for this examples can be taken as diamine bromochloroplatinum 4 complex or dipyridyl chlorobromoplatinum 4 complex. Here 2 amine ligands are on the same direction and 2 amine ligands in the trans position are in the opposite direction. So, if 2 amine are there in the same side, that is cis isomer, and 2 amines are on the opposite side, this is the trans isomer. Next is MABCD type of complexes. So, in MABCD type of complexes, 3 types of isomers will be formed. While writing the structures, any one group or ligand is to be fixed on a position and other groups are trans to it. Example for this type of complexes is amine hydroxy pyridyl nitro platinum 4 complex. Here A is fixed at a position, A ligand is fixed at a position and trans to it is here B. This is one type of isomer, and for A trans is a C ligand. So, it is second type of isomer, and here two isomers are identical where A is fixed and D is also trans to it. So these two are identical to each other. So these three types of isomers are possible in the case of MABCD type of complexes. Next is bidentate ligands all containing complexes also exhibit geometrical isomerism. Example here is MAB type of complexes where AB means asymmetric bidentate ligands. Asymmetric bidentate ligands means two donor atoms are different. Example glycinato. In the case of symmetric bidentate ligands where two donor atoms are same, those are symmetric bidentate ligands. Example ethylene diamine. Those type of complexes having symmetrical bidentate ligands cannot exhibit geometrical isomerism. So like complexes having asymmetric bidentate ligands can exhibit geometrical isomerism. Example here is bis glycinato platinum 4 complex. Here two oxygens are, two O donor atoms are in opposite side, two N donor atoms of glycinate are in opposite side, so it is trans. Here same side is there, so it is cis isomer. Next one is geometrical isomerism in octahedral complexes. So in this type of complexes, the Ma6, Ma5b type of complexes do not exhibit isomerism. Geometrical isomerism cannot be exhibited by Ma6, Ma5b type of complexes, whereas Ma4b2, Ma4bc, Ma3b3, Ma2b2c2 and MABCDEF type of complexes all are monodentate ligands or unidentate ligands can exhibit geometrical isomerism, and octahedral complexes containing bidentate ligands or polydentate ligands are also exhibit geometrical isomerism. So let us discuss one by one. In the case of Ma4b2 or Ma2b4 or Ma4bc type of complexes, if we observe, where M stands for metal ion, cobalt, chromium, rhodium, rubidium, platinum, etc., and A and B's are the unidentate ligands. Example for this type of complexes is tetraamine dichloro cobalt 3 complex. Here 1, 2 are cis, same side, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the positions. If 1, 2 is NH3 is present here, 3, 4 positions are occupied by Cl and 5, 6 positions are occupied by NH3 again. So it is cis isomer, whereas NH3 is opposite direction and here also opposite direction, but Cl is opposite direction here, that is trans isomer. So here two Cl ligands are opposite to each other, though NH3s are equal in the same positions, but two chloros are in the opposite direction, so it is trans isomer. Next one is Ma3b3 type of complex. So it example for this is trichloro-tripyridine platinum 4 complex. This type of complexes also exhibit geometrical isomerism. Here in the cis position, 2 chloro and here 2 pyridyl are occupied in the same position. It is cis isomer, whereas in the trans isomer, 2 pyridines are in the trans to each other, 2 chloro are trans to each other. So it is a trans isomer. Next one is MAA2B2 or MAA2BC type of complexes containing bidentate ligands. So here example is CrEn taken twice Cl2 plus, where En means we know ethylene diamine, it is bidentate ligand. So its name is bis ethylene diamine dichloro chromium 3 complex. So in this complex 1 and 2 positions are and 5 and 6 positions are occupied by ethylene diamine and 3 and 4 positions are occupied by Cl. So it is a cis isomer, but in the case of trans isomer, Cl is arranged in the opposite to one another. So it is a trans isomer. That is, third and sixth positions are occupied by chloroligand. So it is a trans isomer. In the case of MABCD type of complexes, 15 types of isomers are formed. So far only one complex is prepared. Among 15 isomers, only 3 are isolated. Example for this type of complexes, we can see bromo iodo chloro methyl nitro pyridine platinum 4 complex. So these type of complexes are rarely occur. And next one is optical isomerism. What the optical isomerism is, we can define it as the stereoisomerism in which non-superimposable mirror images are formed due to the difference in the stereometric arrangement of ligands around the central atom is called optical isomerism. Here, how the optical isomerism is observed. General light is electromagnetic radiation which is unpolarized and oscillates in all the planes, whereas plane polarized light oscillates only in one direction. So unpolarized common light can be converted to plane polarized light by passing it through a plane polarizer, which is a filter. This plane polarized light can be passed through a sample solution containing optically active or optically active substance. Then if the plane polarized light rotates right side, then that is dextrorotatory, and the isomer is called dextroisomer. If the plane polarized light is rotates towards left side, that is levorotatory, and the isomer is called levoisomer. Here we can observe right hand, left hands are the mirror images to each other, and in this juncture we have to keep in mind that two words we have to understand. One is enantiomers and another second one is diastereoisomers. Enantiomers and diastereoisomers. What the enantiomers are? Non-superimposable mirror images are called enantiomers. Here right hand, left hand are non-superimposable mirror images, and these two complexes are also non-superimposable mirror images to each other. So these two are the examples of enantiomers. Not only that, if we take gloves are also example for enantiomers. And now what the diastereoisomers are? Non-superimposable non-mirror images are diastereoisomers. So optical isomerism, what are the main requirements for the optical isomerism? If we observe, the optical isomerism is complexes should not have symmetrical elements. What are symmetrical elements? Plane symmetry, plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, center of symmetry, these are called symmetrical elements. If these symmetrical elements are there, then optically inactive complexes. So the complexes with plane axis or center of symmetry, those are optically inactive. Then if any complexes having no symmetrical elements are optically active. So for the optical isomerism, no symmetry must be there. Let us discuss the coordination number 2 and 3. Complexes containing coordination number 2 and 3, they do not exhibit optical activity because they have symmetry elements. So the exhibition of optical activity does not arise in the complexes having coordination number 2 and 3. And in the case of coordination number 4, that is the square planar complexes, So they do not exhibit optical activity because they have symmetrical elements. Square planar complexes have symmetrical elements. So those are considered as optically inactive. So those cannot be exhibited, those cannot exhibit optical activity. Whereas coordination number 4 complexes having tetrahedral geometry can exhibit the optical activity because they do not have symmetrical elements, and those are considered as optically active. And coordination number 6 octahedral complexes are also exhibit optical isomerism because these are generally having bidentate or polydentate ligands are optically active. So due to not having symmetrical plane, tetrahedral complexes have to exhibit optical isomerism, but they do not exhibit because for MA4, MA3B type of complexes, it is not possible to differentiate dextro and levo isomers. But tetrahedral complexes of beryllium, boron, copper 2 and zinc 2 having two unsymmetrical bidentate ligands exhibit optical isomerism. Example for this is bis benzoyl acetonato beryllium 2 complex. Here dextro and levo are mirror images to each other and those two are not superimposable. Next, another example rarely observed here is MABCD type of complex which has asymmetric plane and have two mirror images and exhibit optical isomerism. This is arsenic complex which exhibits optical isomerism. Next, optical isomerism in octahedral complexes having coordination number 6. So octahedral complexes having bidentate or polydentate ligands exhibit optical isomerism. Two types of general examples are taken here. MAA-B2C2 type of complexes where AA means symmetrical bidentate ligands and BC are unidentate ligands. Example for this type is diamine dichloroethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion. Here positions 1 and 2 are occupied by ethylene diamine, 3 and 4 are adjacent to each other occupied by Cl chloro, and 5 and 6 are occupied by NH3 and it is a dextro. So mirror image of this is levo. These two are mirror images to each other. And in another example for MAA2B2 type of complexes, here dichloro bis ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion. So here these two are dextro and levo rotatory mirror images to each other. Both MAA-B2C2 and MAA-2B2 complexes exhibit geometrical isomerism, but cis only exhibits optical isomerism because it is asymmetric. Trans exhibits symmetry, so does not exhibit optical isomerism. That we have to keep in mind in this context. Next, MAA3 type of complexes. This type of complexes does not exhibit cis trans isomerism but exhibits optical isomerism. Example for this type of complexes are tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion, tris oxalato cobalt 3 ion. If we observe tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion as an example here dextro and levo are mirror images to each other. So this exhibits optical activity easily. In the case of unsymmetrical bidentate ligands containing complexes like MAB3 type. MAB3 type of complexes containing unsymmetrical bidentate ligands in which two donor atoms are different. These type of complexes exhibit both cis-trans and optical isomerism. Both cis-trans isomers exhibit enantiomerism. Next, what the enantiomers are, already we discussed, non-superimposable mirror images. Example for this type of complexes are tris glycinato cobalt 3 ion. Here cis and trans both forms are mirror images to each other here. So dextro and levo are present in cis forms, those are mirror images to each other, and here also dextro and levo are present as mirror images in the trans form also. So MAB3 type of complexes can exhibit both cis-trans isomers and optical isomerism. Next one is hexadentate ligands containing complexes. Example for this type of complexes generally we observe ethylene diamine tetraacetato cobaltate complex. So ethylene diamine tetraacetato cobaltate complex, where we know ethylene diamine tetraacetate ion is a hexadentate ion. It has 6 donor atoms. So in octahedral geometry, all the positions are being occupied by one ligand only. One ligand only can be occupied by all the positions in the geometrical optical isomerism. So hexadentate ligands containing complexes can exhibit optical isomerism. These two are mirror images to each other. Then last one is MABCDEF type of complexes. Complexes having different unidentate ligands exhibit optical activity. These complexes exhibit 15 geometrical isomers and all exhibits optical activity. So these are dextro and levo mirror images to each other. So these exhibit optical activity. So thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.